How to connect Claude to Tradingview. First, open Claude AI and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, click your profile icon or username in the bottom left corner. From the menu, select Settings. Now in the left sidebar, click Connectors. This page shows all the connectors currently available in Claude. You can connect popular apps like Gmail, Google Drive, and Slack, or you can add your own custom connector. To create a custom connector, click the Add button in the top right corner. A small menu will appear. From here, select Add Custom Connector. This opens the Add Custom Connector window. In the Name field, enter a name for your connector. Since we're connecting Tradingview, simply type Tradingview. Next, you'll see the Remote MCP Server URL field. Here, you need to paste the Tradingview MCP Server URL. Simply copy the MCP server URL from the provider or service you're using, return to Claude, and paste it into this field. Once you've filled in both fields, click the Add button. Claude will verify the connection, and if everything is configured correctly, your Tradingview connector will be added successfully. After that, you'll be able to use Tradingview through Claude AI using this custom connector. And that's it. That's how easy it is to connect Tradingview to Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.